IDM not showing on YouTube in Chrome. In this video, I'm going to show you a comprehensive solution that will ensure that by the end of this video, your IDM extension starts downloading properly again. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. If you are wondering how to fix it that IDM bar not showing on videos to download, the very first step is to check for an update, as it will solve extension's old manifest error. Open IDM, hover over Help on the top menu to open the drop-down menu, and click Check for Updates in the bottom. Let the software scan for updates. If a dialog box appears with the option Update Now, then click Update Now. It will download the update. And Windows will ask admin permission to allow to install. Click Yes, and the wizard will open. Click Accept, then click Next, and let it install and process. Once finished, click Finish. This step is crucial if your IDM extension not working, or if you find IDM not working on YouTube. Now, open Google Chrome. Go to the Extensions Manager by clicking on the 3 dots options dropdown in the top right corner, hovering over Extensions, and clicking Manage Extensions. Look for the IDM extension here. If it exists and is disabled, or if it shows an error of not supported extension or an IDM extension cross error, click on Remove. A new dialog box will appear confirming if to remove it. Click Remove. Clearing this broken file out helps immensely if IDM don't show any video extension Windows 10. Open a new Google page. Go to the Chrome search bar and type exactly IDM extension is not shown in Chrome. Look for the official Internet Download Manager website in the search results. Be cautious to not click on any other link, such as the Chrome Web Store, as there are many fakes on the official Chrome Web Store, as stated by the IDM official extension website's page. Once opened, scroll down and look for a link saying IDM-integration module. Once clicked, it will redirect you to the official IDM Chrome extension. You can double-check if it's official by checking the author to Internet Download Manager. Click on Add to Chrome, and a pop-up will appear asking if to add the IDM module extension. Click Add Extension. This is the safest approach when figuring out how to fix IDM extension and not showing on Google Chrome, or if you simply see that IDM not show in Chrome extension menus. It also directly addresses how to fix IDM extension problem in Google Chrome. Next, check in the Extensions menu on the top right of Chrome by clicking the puzzle icon to see if it is installed or not. To make sure that the IDM extension has access to all websites, to be able to download from all websites and all their media resources, click the Extensions icon in the top bar of Chrome to expand the list of extensions. Right-click on the IDM extension's 3 dots for more options, and then click Manage Extension. Scroll down, go to Site Access, and select On All Sites. Adjusting this setting fixes the issue where IDM not pick download files, and files download to browser instead, which is a major reason why the IDM extension for Google Chrome not working properly. Finally, check if downloading with the IDM extension works or not by downloading a Google Drive file. Navigate to your Google Drive. Right-click on any file you have stored there, and click Download from the menu. The IDM download prompt should immediately pop up, proving it catches downloads correctly. Next, go to any YouTube video from the homepage to address why IDM not showing download option YouTube. Once the video loads, look just above the video player, and I will show the IDM extension's Download This Video bar now appearing natively. If you previously noticed IDM is not working on YouTube Google Chrome, it should now run flawlessly. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or need a tutorial on another topic, please leave a comment below.